Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready, and August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
At Ring, we're changing the way we look at home security. From video doorbells that see when anyone steps on your property, security cameras with lights, alarms, and motion sensors, to connected lights that create a ring of security around your home. A traditional alarm system that's anything but traditional. With intelligent sensors throughout the home, connected to cameras inside and out. Professional monitoring and 911 response. This is home security like never before. Ring is a whole new way of protecting your home and property. Ring Neighborhoods takes security beyond the home and connects you to what's going on in your neighborhood. A new neighborhood watch for the digital age. Layering smart. Home security begins at the front door with the Ring Video Doorbell. With options to fit every home, Ring Video Doorbell is the best and first choice in smart home security. Shine a light on your home security with Ring Spotlight Cam and Floodlight Cam. Bright lights and a powerful siren alarm put security in your hands. With ultra-bright LEDs, night vision, and motion alerts, Ring puts total home protection in every corner of your property. Ring Beams adds powerful, wire-free lighting to your home. A motion-activated network of lights that talk to each other. The first of its kind. Smart lighting that connects to your other Ring devices to enhance your ring of security. Ring Alarm is the next generation of home security. A state-of-the-art security system that you can install yourself. Smart home protection that's customizable to fit your home. Peace of mind and whole home security at your fingertips. The new Stick-Up Cam is simple to install and works both inside and outside the home, so you'll always know what's going on. Battery and wired options make Stick-Up Cam both smart and versatile. Ring Neighborhoods lets you connect and share information quickly with your neighbors, keeping you one step ahead of suspicious activity. Now, when something happens, you can stay informed with alerts from your community. Like a new neighborhood watch, so we can work together to create safer neighborhoods for all. This is home security like never before. This is Ring.
For years, Nest Cam owners have been spotting burglars as they enter homes. But what if you could see someone coming before they broke in? Now there's Nest Cam Outdoor to help you look after home, inside and out, 24/7. Rain or shine, Nest Cam Outdoor is weatherproof. It plugs in so it never runs out of batteries. And it sends an alert when something happens. It can even tell a person from a thing. And it lets you talk back.
Can I help you?
With the Nest app, you can go back and see exactly what happened. So you can spot burglars. And everything else. Even in the dark. Stay connected to home and the things that matter most in super clear HD. Introducing Nest Cam Outdoor. Security has never looked so good.
Arlo smart home security products protect your home with wire-free HD weatherproof cameras. The new Arlo Pro 2 camera gives you all the benefits of the Arlo wire-free camera line, like excellent battery life and free cloud recordings, but with added features and flexibility. Arlo Pro 2 cameras monitor and record video in 1080p resolution, delivering crisp HD video that lets you zoom in with more detail while still maintaining great battery life. Want to see more? Just pinch to zoom in the Arlo app to highlight an area with incredible clarity. You can use Arlo Pro 2 wire-free cameras indoors, or you can take advantage of its weatherproof design and flexible power options like the Arlo solar panel to use it outdoors. When you plug your Arlo Pro 2 camera directly into a power outlet, you unlock a host of additional features. When it's plugged in, Arlo Pro 2 detects motion even faster by using the Look Back feature. Look Back processes and records captured video from moments before motion activity is detected. This creates a continuous recording with a few seconds of footage before the triggered event, giving you a complete picture of what happened. If you want to create a custom activity zone, plug the Arlo Pro 2 into an outlet and select the specific zones you want to monitor inside the app. You'll get notifications about any activity in that zone directly on your phone. When the Arlo Pro 2 is plugged in, you can subscribe to the Arlo CVR paid plan, which provides continuous 24/7 video, ensuring you never miss a moment. As a seamless part of your smart home experience, Arlo Pro 2 works with Amazon Alexa devices. Using your voice, you can ask Alexa to play a live stream of your cameras through the Amazon Echo Show or Fire TV that's connected to your big screen TV. For example, if you're busy and someone knocks on your door, Alexa, show me the front door camera. The Arlo Pro 2 camera instantly plays a live video feed on your Echo Show screen or TV, giving you a full view of what's going on in real time. Arlo Pro 2 is the convenient, easy-to-use home HD security camera that can be used wire-free or plugged in while providing smart features and crisp HD video. For more information on Arlo Pro 2 and the Arlo Smart Home Security System, visit arlo.com.